Greetings everyone, and I hope you're well. Welcome to Classroom Faves. I'm Mel Lara. Today I'm going to show you how to use Canva's new AI tool, which is an app on their platform. We're going to look at the general quality of the product. I have a pro version of Canva, so I can use the app up to a number of set times. I'm not sure if you don't have a pro account, if you can use it at all. I'm assuming you can. I've already tried out the software with mixed results. Some are pretty cool and some are stuff of nightmares. Let's get into it. So here I am in an A4 sized canvas. So I am now going to go down to the left hand side and go to more, which is at the bottom here with a lot more apps. So as you can see, I've got text to image here, which is an app. It's an AI one. It's all the rage, you know, where you type in like cute kitten and then you'll get a cute kitten that's walking along some sort of gloomy landscape. Let's have a look at what they've got. All you need to do is say use. Over here you've got a little box that's blank and you might need to write cute kitten coloring page. So that's all I'm going to write. I'm going to go to drawing and see what it comes up with. Generate image. This is how long it generally takes. Okay, so I put cute kitten and this is the result. Let's move it over into the canvas and you'll notice that it's not very large. So the resolution, you probably wouldn't want to use a full KDP. You'd probably want high resolution, but this gives you an idea of where it's going anyway. So cute kitten drawing, as you can see, it's on a canvas with drawing pencils around it, which is done by AI. This is meant to be cute as well. That's debatable, let's be honest with that one. So it's meant to be coloring page. I guess you could do that, but you can see the eyes are a little bit wonky. So I probably wouldn't use that in a KDP coloring book. Maybe I'd use it for my own child or something like that. Let's start a cute kitten coloring page. Let's put cute dog and I'm going to put Zentangle and see what it comes up with. So we're going to go drawing. Going to make that small so that it fits there. To be honest, if this was a bit better in proportion, I could use it and then make it like, say, this size and then make a few copies that size, cut that out, and the kids can color in that tiny little picture. Some kids do like just to color in the little pictures. Now, here we go. This is where we're going with the AI. I quite like this one. The dog is pretty amazing. I'm not sure about these little dots above its head, but everything else about the actual picture is great. Now, this is if I put it on an A4 size paper, which is similar to US letter, but as you can see, the resolution isn't amazing. Plus those little dots is just not going to work, so I can't use it anyway, but it is pretty good. The nose is amazing and the shape of the head is pretty good too. Would I use it? Probably with a very young child, and I would cut out all the surrounding image, which is the pencils. This one here, let's have a look. Okay, so this is, you know, like a bit of a nightmare. So the black eyes, you know, you kind of want something a little bit white in there, like this dog here. The rest of the dog is pretty cool. I really like the ears and the head. So, you know, if Canva, the app here, gets better, it will be like a game changer, I think, for a lot of people, as long as it's not too weird. Now I'm going to put photo, and I'll get rid of the word Zentangle. I'm going to put just cute dog and see what they come up with. Right, so this is computer generated, which means that it hasn't been generated before, most likely. Now with this particular dog, he's looking very odd and strange. He's only got 1, 2, 3 paws altogether. Something's happening there which isn't right, and something is meant to be his ear maybe. So I wouldn't be able to use that at all for anything. Let's have a look at this dog. This dog looks kind of evil. Looks like he's from a horror movie, but I see what they've put the word cute under here. Not quite cute, kind of horror movie stuff. Yep, I wouldn't be able to use that either unless I was doing a horror movie or some sort of fun prank, meme sort of thing. I could use it for that if I wanted to. In fact, you could use that for a joke, you know, a prank. Right, let's go and do one more and let's just put random something in. Let's put landscape, since lots of people are into landscapes. I'm going to put surprise me. So it would be photo, drawing, 3D, or painting. Let's see what they come up with. Oh, I should go to generate image. That would help a lot. Right, this one here is usable. This one's actually really lovely. It is low resolution, as you can see. If I make it large, you can see that the pixelation's here. But as you can see where it's going, down the line, it's going to be pretty amazing since it's just computer generated. Hey, it makes a good background too. All right, let's go and have a look at this one. I didn't ask for a person in the landscape. Is it a person or is it some random demonic thing. It looks like a random demonic thing. It doesn't even look like a person. But the background is kind of odd as well. I quite like the clouds. The trees don't quite work, but you know, it's a fantasy pick. You could use this as a writing prompt if you're a teacher at school. I mean, I could use that and say, what is this standing in the middle of the field there? Where is he? What is he? What is this floating area with the pink clouds below it? I keep going back to this one, but I could write a writing prompt about the dog. This would be a good writing prompt as well. There you go. I reckon you go to Canva, check out yourself. It's called text to image, and play around and see what you can come up with. At the moment, I do believe that these are standalone, unique, original pictures. Canva do say you've got to change them up a bit, so I'm guessing you should maybe a little bit, and then make it your own. All right, thank you for watching. This is Mel from Classroom Faves.